Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to add subscript in Canva. First step is to open your browser. Now on the search bar, type in canva.com. After that, it will lead you to the home page of Canva website. And here on the top right corner, you can see create a design button. Click on it and choose your required template. It is very similar process just like to add subscript in Canva. So first click on this text button which is on the left side, and here click on add a heading. Now type it. After that, again click on add a heading and type in the subscript. Now rearrange this and you can make this subscript size smaller. And here you can see that you can easily add subscript in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.